Hello, Ryan Harden here with Wrangler Riders, and in this video we're going to talk about the steering stabilizer with relocation bracket from Rough Country. Rough Country was gracious enough to donate some of these products for our members at our annual meeting, and we can't thank you enough for supporting us and our members. So first thing we want to look at here is, as we're unboxing it, is it's packaged in a real heavy duty with a real heavy duty paper. Leanne M packaged this. Thanks, Leanne, for packaging it so well. One of the first things we notice is the stabilizer kit does have a nice set of instructions that are in English and actually readable. Oh. And then the stabilizer itself, real heavy duty stabilizer. Again, we'll do an install video on this if our member allows us to. Nice, strong, heavy cylinder, and then the relocation bracket, as well as a sticker, which you'll put on it after you're done, and the hardware. So high quality hardware here, and a nice bag that doesn't come apart in shipping. You'd be surprised how often that happens. You get parts in the mail, and you get it, and one of the bags opened up, and you lost some hardware. That sucks. This is a nice quality bag. What can I say? It's a bag, but it's good stuff. Rough Country, thank you very much for your donation. It is crucial to have such great support from our manufacturers as well as our businesses. That kind of stuff gets more members so we can do more stuff, get more trails, build more trails, and get more riding areas collectively. So jump on to WranglerRiders.com, check out our maps, check out our educational classes, become a member, get involved. Our community has a ton of stuff on it. There are pictures and videos and all the chapters doing their own events and regional events and annual events and these types of things. We got big trips planned. We do a whole bunch of stuff, and it's just a really great community. So jump on to WranglerRiders.com. Thank you very much for watching. Thanks again, Rough Country, and we will see you out on the trail.